अस्सलामुअलैकुम बच्चों, वेलकम टू द राइट एंगल। कैसे हैं आप स्टूडेंट्स? क्या कभी आपको इंग्लिश ग्रामर में मुश्किल हुई है या इंग्लिश ग्रामर के क्वेश्चंस करने में मिस्टेक्स करने की वजह से आप अपने मार्क्स लूज़ कर देते हैं? डोंट वरी, टुडे आई विल टीच यू पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच in the easiest way possible. After this video, you will understand English sentences much better and your exam performance will improve. Let's get started. Parts of speech are the building blocks of English language. Every word in a sentence has a job. There are 8 parts of speech: noun, verb, adjective, pronoun, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. Let's learn them one by one with simple examples. Noun. A noun is a name of a person, place, or thing. Ali, school, book, ये सब nouns हैं क्योंकि ये सब किसी के नाम हैं. Look at this sentence. Ali quickly runs to school. Now tell me, what is Ali and what is runs in this sentence? If you don't know, no problem. By the end of this video, you will learn it. Verb. A verb shows action. Examples: run, eat, read. In our previous sentence, runs is a verb. और आपको पता है कि verb के बगैर कोई जुमला मुकम्मल नहीं होता. Adjective. An adjective describes a noun. A beautiful flower, a big house. इन दोनों sentences में beautiful और big adjectives हैं क्योंकि ये nouns flower और house को describe कर रहे हैं. A pronoun. A pronoun replaces a noun. Instead of saying Ali again and again, we can say he. Other examples are he, she, it, they. Now try this. She is a happy girl. Can you find a noun and an adjective in this sentence? Yes, correct. Girl is noun and happy is adjective. Adverb. An adverb tells us how something happens. Examples: runs quickly, speaks softly. In this sentence, Ali runs quickly. Quickly is an adverb. Preposition. A preposition shows position or place. Examples: in, on, under, above, between, etc. Book on table, cat under the chair. Conjunction. A conjunction joins words or sentences. Ali and Ahmed are friends. I tried but failed. In these two sentences, and but are conjunctions. Interjection. An interjection shows emotion. Wow! Oh! Hooray! Wow, that's amazing! These are all interjections. Now let's test your understanding. Look at this sentence and tell me, what is boy? What is runs? And what is quickly in this sentence? Yes, very good. I'm sure you guessed right. Boy is a noun, runs is a verb, and quickly is an adverb. You know, in FPISC and Punjab board exam, parts of speech help you in grammar MCQs, sentence correction, essay writing, and translation. Here is a question which is styled like the past papers. Choose the correct word. He runs quick or quickly. Think of the correct word. Yes, he runs quickly. Aslam is intelligent. Dash gets first position in the class. He or his? Yes. Yes, he is the right preposition. Aslam is intelligent. He gets first position in the class. Let's summarize our lesson. Noun is a name, verb is action, adjective describes nouns, adverb describes action, prepositions show the position, conjunctions are the joining words, and interjections are the emotion words. Let's practice now. Now you can pause the video here and write down these questions in your notebook and practice while solving them. You have to pick the parts of speech from these sentences. You can share your practice work in the comments for personalized feedback and correction. I hope today's lesson was helpful. If you want full English preparation for your exam, including past papers and exam tips, subscribe now and comment worksheet if you want more practice sheets. See you in the next lesson. Thank you and Allah Hafiz. Stay tuned for the upcoming English lesson. I will be waiting for your responses, comments, questions, queries, or any English problems you are facing. Hope to see you soon. Take care. Allah Hafiz.